Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom. First, let's click on the Google Classroom icon. We can see the three classes that I'm in, Ati Movies and Sound, Ati Alpha Blocks, and let's pretend that I'm a wombat today. So first, let's click on Ati Wombat. Here, I need to go to the bottom and click the button in the middle, Classwork. We have Read Aloud. As a wombat, I'm reading Arthur's Reading Race. So let's click Arthur's Reading Race Read Aloud. I click the link in the middle and I can listen
DW stuck out her
to the book. Click X at the top left and the arrow to go back to Classroom. I can read extensive reading, so step into the reading Arthur for more Arthur books to listen to. Back to Classroom, and here I can study my books. Arthur's Reading Race, week 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see. Click the link in the middle. And let's click the green button to start. How many people are there? I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there are 5. I was right. Green button to continue. Now I can look at Quizlet. Let's find Arthur's Reading Race Quizlet. Click the link in the middle. And here we can study our flashcards. Click
Safe End. Safe End.
For our last one, we can watch the video of teacher reading the book. Find Arthur's Reading Race Read Aloud. And here we can watch the YouTube video of teacher reading. Look at her book. Now let's take a look at Ati Movies and Sound. Click the button at the top. And like always, click in the middle, Classwork. Here we can find lots of movies or videos for anything we can think of. We have some Catch Teeny Bing or Bluey, but let's find Arthur. Movies and Sound second level, we can find Arthur 1. And here are all the videos of Arthur we can watch to help us practice. Have fun! Now, let's go to a different class. In the top left corner, click the 3 lines, and we can see on the side my other classes. Or I can click the house classes to go back. Let's check Alpha Blocks. Ati Alpha Blocks. And just like before, let's click Classwork in the middle. Now I can see videos. Alpha Blocks video. I'm Wombat, so let's click level 3. And here we can click and watch any Alpha Block video from level 3. If I go back, we have books, Alpha Block ebooks, where we're reading along. Level 3. So we can click and read together. Just like before, we can take an Alpha Blocks quiz in Kahoot. Let's find 3-4 and let's do week 2. Here, 3-4, week 1, week 2, dots. Click the link in the middle. Next. Okay. What letter is missing? R, A, B. And now that's it. We've studied alpha blocks.